Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you how to add product categories in Shopify, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create collections, which are Shopify's version of categories, and organize your store so customers can easily find what they're looking for. Whether you're just getting started or want to clean up your product catalog, this guide will help make your Shopify store way more user-friendly. All right, let's dive in. First, we need to create a collection. That's Shopify's term for a product category. In your Shopify admin dashboard, head over to the Products section and then choose Collections. This is where all your collections are managed. It's like the filing cabinet for organizing different types of products. Look for the button that says Create Collection. Go ahead and click that. Now you'll see fields for title and description. The title is basically the name of your category, like men's t-shirts or summer accessories. The description is optional, but filling it out helps customers understand what kind of products they'll find here. For example, you could write a short blurb like, all our lightweight summer gear, perfect for sunny days. Now, one important decision. How do you want Shopify to manage which products go into this category? You can choose an automated collection or a manual collection. Automated is especially helpful if you have lots of products or plan to keep adding more that fit a certain criteria. For automated, you set up rules. Think of it as setting up filters. For example, you can say, add all products where the tag is t-shirt, or maybe any item under $30. This makes the process hands-off. Whenever a product matches your conditions, Shopify includes it in that collection automatically. On the other hand, manual collections are great if you want more control. With manual, you handpick exactly which products go into each category. No automation, just your personal selection. If you chose automated, you'll need to carefully define your conditions. Let's say you want all items tagged as eco-friendly. Just set that as your rule. If you're unsure what condition to set, pause and think about how your customers might browse your store. Do they shop by color, material, or price? Setting good conditions now will save you a lot of organizing later. Once your rules are in place, don't forget to hit save. This makes your new collection live. All right, now it's time to actually assign products to your new collection. If you picked manual, this is really straightforward. Inside your collection, click Add Products, and you'll see a list of all the items in your store. Select the ones you want. Maybe just a few to start, you can always add more later. Take your time here. It's totally normal to revisit and tweak your selections. If you went with automated, relax. Shopify does the work for you. Products that meet your criteria will appear in the collection automatically. Let's say you have existing products you want to organize. You can edit them one by going to Products, clicking on a specific product, and under Product Organization or Category, pick which collection it should belong to. If you've got a bunch of products to sort, you don't need to go one by one. Instead, use Bulk Edit. Select the products you want, click Bulk Edit, make sure you have the Product Category column showing, and set all those products to the right collection in one go. This is a huge time saver if your store is getting bigger. And that's it. With just a few steps, your Shopify store is now organized into clear, customer-friendly categories. This makes browsing easier, helps people find exactly what they want, and gives your shop a polished, professional feel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like, drop a comment if you have any questions or need more tips about Shopify, and don't forget to subscribe. I post new tutorials every week to help you run your online store smarter. Thanks for watching, and good luck organizing your shop.